Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. Okay, and in this installment we have the Stanley tape measure. Now I know what you're thinking, this isn't really a tool for fixing things or for mending anything, but it's actually quite a handy tool for diagnosing certain problems. Also helps you with part identification and all sorts. This is quite a good one, as you can see. Quite easy to read numbers, and it is about 5 meters long. I've never had it at full extension, but little jobs, quite handy. You can see I've got a little mark there from where I've used it before with a little bit of Tipp-Ex. You need to clean that off. But yeah, the main reason I'm showing you this is not so much to show you the tool itself, but to show you and tell you about what you can do. Like I said before, certain times you want to check the ride height of your vehicle to see if it's different from one side of the car to the other. So pop it down, measure the height, make sure it's in line, make sure it's in spec. Pretty handy. Also for like identifying car parts. So you've got two parts and then you've got some models of cars are very difficult, shall I say, to identify parts. They have their spacing, so one will have a spacing at 4 mils apart and one will have one at 6 mils apart. You can measure the one on the vehicle, see what size it is, and then when you're ordering your part, you can order the one knowing what spacing it is, which is pretty handy. The overall is not too bad of an idea to have one of these in your toolbox. It's not the most accurate form of measurement for like big jobs, like if you're measuring, let's say, like a control arm or other things, it's pretty good. Another thing I should mention is you can also sort of do a semi-DIY alignment at home. If you think your alignment's okay on your car, you can measure a point from your tie rod end, mark it. At least you'll get them somewhat in line, and then when you take it to the alignment place, it won't be such a big job to get it fully aligned. So my final thoughts on this particular Stanley tape measure is I really like it. I really enjoy how the numbers are laid out. They're pretty good. They're pretty clear and easy to read, especially if you're using a torch against it. I like the yellow. I like that you can hold it out quite far and it doesn't break. The traction is always pretty good. I like the fact you can lock it too. So you pull out to them if you need, lock it. Pretty good, like my standard tape measures really. But yeah, overall, really impressed with this one. And as I mentioned in the previous clip, there's plenty of uses for it. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week. So if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.